Hello viewers, Clarke here, Product Genius here at Classic BMW. Today we're going to be showing you how to set up your ConnectedDrive account. This will allow you to connect your phone and your car and use all the functions in your car without having to be within its vicinity.
For today's demonstration, I've brought along the brand new BMW 118i hatch. This gorgeous little car uses the latest BMW iDrive 7 system, allowing you to use ConnectedDrive with ease.
Now, before you can connect to the car, you will need to ensure that you have a ConnectedDrive account.
To create an account, just head to www.bmw-connecteddrive.com.au. From here, you will be given an option to log in or register an account.
Once your account is created and you have all the correct login information, you will receive an email with a link. Click on this link to authenticate the process.
After this, you will need to install the BMW Connected app on your phone. You can find the app on the App Store for iPhone users and on Google Play for Android users. Once you have installed BMW Connected, log into the app using your BMW ConnectedDrive account. You'll be asked to set up a 4-digit PIN or use your fingerprint for security.
So now to connect your vehicle, you will need to press the Add Vehicle button. You'll find this near the top right-hand corner of your screen. After this, it will prompt you to add the last 7 digits of your VIN number.
You can automatically transfer the VIN number by connecting your phone to the car by a USB cord or by entering the VIN manually. This can be found by going to Communication, Mobile Devices, Settings, Bluetooth Information, System Information.
Once you've entered your VIN number, a verifying code will be sent directly to your BMW. You can find this in your BMW messages box.
Enter the code in the app and you will have successfully connected your BMW to your ConnectedDrive account.
That's all for today's video. If you have any questions about the stuff featured in this video or anything else you would like to see in a future video, leave a comment below or come and see me and my colleagues here at Classic BMW. Thanks for watching.